So, I got this at the thrift store. It's dress pants. I'm trying to get good lighting. And then this shirt, which it's like really modest. It comes way up here. It has like these two cute little pockets. It's really comfy. So, I think I only spent like $10 on this outfit. But I just wanted like another outfit just for work, you know. But like I was wearing like the same shirt over and over again.
What were you grinning about?
We're going to be filming a gingerbread house collab with I Am Hobley. We're going to make it RV style though. So we're gonna like not actually follow the instructions, and we're just gonna like kind of cut it and make it look like an RV. I'm waiting for Wes to get up, and I'm gonna go ahead and do this right now. A sheet mask.
Look at Jack's new outfit from Grandma and Grandpa. So cute.
Alright, so here's the mushrooms. Sorry the lighting's kind of bad, but I added soy sauce, a little bit of ginger, sesame oil, turmeric, onion, garlic powder. I have vegan mayonnaise as the butter, I guess. Don't use a yeast roll because it just doesn't work. The juice from the mushrooms is really good. Dip it in it, babe.
The juice?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Mushroom juice.
Soy sauce.
Is that how to make soy sauce?
No, I just I poured soy sauce over it.
It's my project for today. Brittany's machine gun's starting to jam, so I gotta take this apart and look at it, clean it up a little bit, maybe run a little smoother. There's 4 screws. These ones are kind of a pain in the butt to get out. I'm assuming if I get those out, then this will come out. Bam. Then I think the machine gun mechanism's in there. Just a guess. We'll see. There's a little screw hiding right there. Felt all weak trying to pull it off. Like, what's going on here? There's a lot more screws than I thought there was. 2 on the side, 2, 3 at the bottom, 1 there, 2 here, and now it's already come out. I already got it all took apart. I just disconnected the wire. Really don't want to get technical. We've been unable to use this locking system anyway, so I just went ahead and disconnected the wire. So rapid fire should be discontinued. It still works with the key and everything, so. Lock, unlock, lock, unlock. Put it back together. Okay, almost got it. Little piece. This screw right here, there was a screw in there, but has nothing for it to grab in the back. I don't know if it fell out when I was messing with it, but it's still pretty sturdy. I got that one in. But yeah, this one, I don't felt like it wasn't attached to anything because it didn't came out when I was screwing it. It's like it was just pushed in there. But then somehow I lost it somewhere. Oh, it's all put back together. The other side, I'm going to tackle that side next. I noticed that the side speaker, or the front speaker's not working. Maybe just a loose wire or something. Pull that off next. So I got all this taken apart. And that right there must not be working. Because I got everything hardwired together. Just to see if it'll work. There's the speaker. Here's the tweaker. That's what it's called. Tweaker. Yep. Tweeter. And the woofer. But yeah, I got that all hooked up and it seems to be working fine without this, but when I plug this in, it don't work at all. So either there's a broken connection, or just take this apart and look at it. Wait, just as I thought. It broke did. Oh well. I guess that'll work for now. I was hoping this would Whatever. Got door, everything hardwired back together. Don't you just hate it when you just lose the only tool that you need? I don't know where the hell it went. Rocks everywhere. Anyway, get a magnet or something. I'll probably find it. Or just buy like 50 of them. I don't know where it went. Anyways, it's all hardwired. I was gonna see if I can buy another one of these, but I was like, oh, piss on it. Don't make everything so complicated. Just wire it together.
He got this from daycare. It was from the coloring book exchange. He's playing with the stickers. And Wes is making dinner. Then after we eat, we're gonna kind of like let it sit for a second and then go hike the hill. I didn't give him the green.
So you used the green?
I don't know. That or he just lets me. Starbucks for the first time since we've been in Farmington. Aww. So we got 2 hot chocolates, but we made it vegan with soy milk. And we got the kids a snowman cookie. Wow, Bible! And Wes has his sunglasses on at night.
Moon glasses.
Moon glasses? What?
They cut out the glare. Look. See it?
Interesting.
Look at this one.
I've got my head up right now and like a scarf on, and Wes was like, "Oh, you look hot," and you look like Little Red Riding Hood.
Then I said, "Can I be the wolf?"
The guys are like, I'll eat you.
Eat you tonight.
Stop.
Oh, they're loud. Cookie. Flashlight. Hold on.
See it. I'll turn it off. What's this, Jack?
Oh, Jesus. Nobody better turn.
Yeah, we need to get this fixed. So this is like probably one of the best hot chocolates that I've ever
Let me try some
tasted. It's the same flavor.
Let me try it.
Fine.
It's different.
But it's really good. Sorry about my voice. It's just I'm kind of sick, so it's hard to talk.
Yours is cooler.
It is, yeah.
Wow.
What else was I gonna say?
Oh, we're talking about the machine gun.
Oh yeah, the Wes fixed the door, so it doesn't make that noise anymore.
How'd you do it? Damn.
I found some really good lights and I couldn't get my damn camera on. Oh, what's that?
We gotta get out of here. Huh?
What's this?
He said, get out of our house.
Yeah.